If you're looking for a semi-hermetic compressor, you'll need some information from the original compressor's nameplate. Then you can enter that information in the corresponding fields and click Search to see a list of replacements. For example, you can use the original compressor's serial number. You can also search by manufacturing number. Or you can search by model number. Once you have your results, you can export the parts list to an Excel doc. And use the drop-down menu here to select and search different product families if needed. And if you have any problems, contact customer service.